السلام علیکم ملګرو، امید لرم چې تاسو به روغ جوړ یې، خوشحاله به یې. زه نن ستاسو سره یو ویډیو شریکوم چې په هغې کې یو بالر دی، هغې 6 بال باندې 6 وکټې اخیستي. نو که دا ویډیو هم خوښه شوه نو لایک یې هم کوئ، پیج فالو هم کوئ او د نور ملګرو سره مخکې شریکه کوئ. نو دا بالر نوم محمد حافظ دی، دا آل راونډر و او راځئ چې دا ویډیو اوس وګورو.
Conceded 10 extra so far. Mohamed Hafiz, experienced Mohamed Hafiz into the attack. Oh, he's gone after him. It's airborne. It's in the air. Is he gone? Yes, he is. Mohamed Hafiz, first ball.
The big boundary, and he takes it on.
Yeah, he's certainly looking at the calculated risk, ball turning into him. But he's
Number 5 here, boys.
Does well against left-handers. Let's find out. Oh, he's come in. Would you believe that? Number 5 walking back, first ball out again
from these two spinners onto the stumps.
Oh, chance. He's got him. Soft dismissal. Cotton ball. 3 in the over. This is unbelievable. This time he might have a chance. You're getting 4th. Gone. And once again, that duo, Wellington Masaka. 68 for 7. Down the wicket. Is it a chance? Another catch and 5 for Mohamed Hafiz.
5 wickets for the professor.
He's got an edge. Got another one. 6. There's no stopping for Hafiz. What an...
د نورو ویډیوګانو لپاره اوس دا پیج فالو کړئ